As earlier we have discussed that mixture are two types of. One, the homogeneous and the heterogeneous, where the two substances mix uniformly known as a homogeneous mixture, and where do not mix uniformly, that is a heterogeneous. Homogeneous mixtures are basically solutions. जो mixtures है solutions होते हैं there, that means the two things mix thoroughly. So yes, I will show you the example of salt, water or sugar with water. And in this heterogeneous, they are divided into two categories. One, the colloids, and there is a suspension. The properties of that solutions में जो solute का size है it is 10 to power of minus 9 meters, whereas heterogeneous का जो colloid part है its size is 10 to power of minus 6 meters and its size is 10 to power of minus 3 meters in the suspensions. One more thing is that solution do not show Tyndall's effect. Tyndall, that is scattering of light, whereas colloid and suspension both show the Tyndall's effect. So let's show with the experiment. I am taking a test tube here, right? Or is test tube थोड़ा सा find out. Small amount of water, right? Is it? Now I am putting a pinch of salt into it. Pinch of salt into it. Just shake it. So yes, we can see, that is we can't see the solid particles here. यहाँ पे हमें solid particles बिल्कुल नहीं दिखाई पड़ रहे. Now I am adding more salt here. Again I am adding more salt here. You can see this much amount of the salt, and let's see what happens here. Again salt here. Most of the salt is dissolved. Yes. It's a dissolve here. That is, again it is a unsaturated solution. Means when more solute can be dissolved in a solution, that it is a unsaturated. Finally, I am adding whole of that. Let's see what happens here. Can it be? Trying to find out. Yes, सारा dissolve कर जाए. No, you can see at the bottom still salt is there, which is not dissolving. It means it is a saturated solution where no more salt can be dissolved. That is saturated. Now how can we make it? This can be made just simple heating it. Yes. Now I have pinch of more salt that I am putting into it. This holder, test tube holder, put this. And you heat it. Its surface should be outward side. It's a boiling tube. It's not a journal tube. And what find? Okay, still there. This one is split lamp. So yes, now we can see here on the yes, no more salt is there. So it is a again what is unsaturated means more salt can be dissolved by changing the temperature. और अगर टेम्परेचर को चेंज नहीं करते हैं so no more salt cannot be dissolved. So this is a solution here, right? Solution, it is a homogeneous mixture. Now I am putting this into water. इसको एक बार solution को पानी में डाल देते हैं. अभी टिंडल्स इफेक्ट्स के बारे में बात कर रहे थे. What is टिंडल्स इफेक्ट्स? Solution of water and salt. Add few more water here. Still solution, right? अब इस solution में let's see क्या ये beam of light को scatter करता है. Putting here, you will see here. पानी में देखोगे क्या beam of light दिखाई पड़ती है? Yes, देखो यहाँ पे तो दिख रहा है पॉइंट. क्या पानी के अंदर लाइट दिख रही है? नो, पानी में लाइट आई थिंक नहीं दिख रही. पॉइंट इज हियर, यू कैन सी पॉइंट इज हियर, बट पानी के अंदर लाइट नहीं दिख रही है. नाउ अब इसको थोड़ा सा हम सस्पेंशन बनाते हैं. सस्पेंशन, आई हैव अ ड्रॉप ऑफ Dettol. I am putting this few drops into this. Now it becomes suspension. Stir it. चला दिया. It's a mixture, but we are unable to see the particles of Dettol. Does it shows the Tyndall's effects? Let's see. Check it. Are you able to see the beam of light here? I hope you are able to see the beam of light here. Inside, the sparkling is. If I put more drops of this, let's put more drop of. Definitely, it's a more easy to see the beam of light inside the water, right? Means we are able to see कि yes, यहाँ से दिखाई पड़ रही beam of light, sparkling हो रही है, that it is capable to scatter the light. This is not the Tyndall effect. It's not only ये, यही नहीं, even अगर हम I have chalk powder here, right? Chalk powder, if I put this chalk powder into it, stir this. Does chalk powder dissolve completely? No. If you leave it for few seconds, few minutes, what happens? It starts to settle at the bottom. Yes, it is starting to settle at the bottom. Similarly, as the size of particles are larger, and it also shows the Tyndall's effects. You can see here, showing the Tyndall effect. And dissolving it. Now you can see clearly. These are Tyndall's effects. That passes beam of light, scatters the beam of light. That's all. Yes, I want to show you one more experiment here. Right. What is that? What is inside? इसमें क्या है? हाँ, yes, air. It's the air only, right? Does, as we know that air is a mixture of gases, this is a homogeneous mixture. Does it shows the Tyndall's effects? Okay. देखो दिखाई पड़ रहा है क्या? क्या इसके अंदर से बीम ऑफ लाइट आपको दिख रही है? I don't think कि इसके अंदर से बीम ऑफ लाइट आपको दिखाई पड़ रही है, right? Now, अब इसके अंदर मिक्सचर बनाते हैं, एक मिक्सचर ऐड करते हैं. What is that? चलिए एक मिक्सचर ऐड कर रहे हैं. And I am making the mixture of what? इसके अंदर क्या है? धुआं. करेक्ट. दिख रहा है? बिल्कुल इकट्ठा हो गया। नाउ ये मिक्सचर कैसा हो गया? हेट्रोजीनस। द मिक्सचर बिकम्स हेट्रोजीनस। आई एम पुटिंग, आर वी एबल टू सी द बीम ऑफ लाइट हियर? आई होप दिख रही है, सबको दिख रही, क्लियर दिख रही है बीम ऑफ लाइट। मिक्सचर चेंज हो गया, मिक्सचर बन गया, एंड काइंड ऑफ अ मिक्सचर इज अ हेट्रोजीनस, सो यू आर एबल टू सी। नाउ सी हियर, धीरे धीरे बीम ऑफ लाइट जा रही है। यहां पे नहीं दिख रही है ऊपर, बट जैसे जैसे नीचे जा रहे हैं बीम ऑफ लाइट हमें विजिबल दिख रही है। यस, so smoke is actually mixture of air and carbon particles. So carbon particles are here, and these carbon particles forms a heterogeneous mixture, and this heterogeneous mixture scatters the beam of light. That's all. Thank you.